Candace and I are out here waiting. The shed guy, looking, because the shed guy called about, I don't know, 15 minutes ago, said he was 20 minutes out. So here in about 5 minutes or less, we should have a 30-foot long shed coming down this driveway. And I'm gonna try and capture it. I'm terrified, actually. I'm really anxious about this. Good morning, Candace.
Good morning.
Me and Candace have been getting ready for this thing.
Yeah, we kind of raked out, not all the leaves, as much as we could, picked up sticks.
Yeah, we got a bunch of leaves out here.
Yeah.
Leaves have been falling like crazy the past, I'd say, month.
Yeah, we always lose our leaves a lot later than the rest of the country, I guess.
Candace has her work boots ready.
Yeah, my cute boots got dirty this morning. Look at them.
Yep. Who makes those?
These are by Sperry. They're called Saltwater. They're very comfortable.
Well, they match your hat, so that's good. All right, here she comes down our road. It's actually not as scary as I thought it was going to be.
You ripped that thing in here.
I know. Did good. It's not as big as I thought it was going to be. All right, he did a quick survey. He said it didn't look like there was going to be a problem. We are blocking a Prime truck right there. But I think they're about to pull up and then probably start dollying that thing with the little forklift guy on the back, or whatever you call that. Holy shit, this guy's just walking this thing down. Okay, they are done, and we're about to go in.
You can use them for steps right now, huh? Because I won't go get in there.
Oh, you can't even get in here, huh? Want me to grab some?
Yeah. there's a can of gray and white.
Yeah, there's trim and main color extra paint. All right, she's all ours. We got the keys and everything. Balls are on 16-inch centers or whatever they call them. I open the window. Got a window. There's gonna be a window unit, but I'll still have a little piece of window with a branch sticking to it there. How am I gonna do the ceiling? I mean, I know I'm almost thinking maybe for now I might just put insulation up. You know? I really don't want to cover up these spaces on top of these 2x4s, because I could like throw some shit up there sometimes, or maybe make some shelves that I can access. So, but definitely going to put some kind of walls are going to be insulated, and then put some type of paneling or something up on those. And first order of business though is going to be to figure out where electrical goes and wire this place up. Figure that out. And the lighting, we gotta figure lighting out too. We got a lot to figure out. But the work's about to start. It's not gonna be bad though. Also, Pippin, chill out, man.
You can't jump in
Hang on, we're gonna get you. Man, dogs are so helpless. Pip, I know that too far. We need steps.
it. They're going to build you some steps, y'all.
I know. So yeah, it's pretty exciting though, y'all. I guess there's not much else to say. It's a rectangle. So the fun's kind of worn off. We have the building here. Now we got to get to work, or I have to get to work actually. Candace, show them where that was going to
Wait,
be.
we didn't christen the building yet.
Oh God, are you serious? Did you say that? We'll do that later. We'll break in the old shed. Cut! Oh my God, I can't believe you said that. Oh boy, wow. All right, Candace, where are we gonna put all the outlets? Because we're getting a shopping list. We're about to do our first bit of work in here today.
Yeah, so we kind of figured approximate where everything's gonna go, so we know where to put outlets and light switches or switch.
Yep.
So there's gonna be a desk over in this area, packing table somewhere in this area.
Photography area.
Photography, yeah, the whole front of the building, not the whole front, but a majority of
10
it
foot or so.
is gonna be working area. So we've got outlet, outlet, outlet. We're putting a couple on these other walls just for whatever.
Random, yeah.
Outlet, outlet for the window unit here, outlet, 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 and light switch.
Yep, and then we'll have a, I'm gonna put it like a little security light on the outside
Yes,
too.
some exterior lighting.
So the whole idea of this is to, I gotta get the little boxes put in and run the Romex. And I can leave that loose for now, and then I'll put in all the insulation. I've got, this is my list so far. Double switch, 8 outlets, outdoor light, Romex, wire nuts. I need 464 running feet of the 15-inch insulation. Staples, I have a staple gun already, electrical one. And then these are 2 foot wide here. So I've got 190 linear feet there. And then, yeah, so we're gonna get electrical started and start insulating this thing.
We're gonna check out flooring also. We're thinking Home Depot makes vinyl flooring that comes in a roll and they just cut your length. So we would just have to put some adhesive down and basically roll it out.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sure it's not that easy, but you get the idea.
It's gonna be about that easy, I think. I mean, like, I'm not gonna cry and diet, but it would be nice to be able to clean the floor and you know, like actually like sweep it and mop it if I need to.
Mop if you had spills anything.
Right, because I'm gonna end up, otherwise I'm gonna end up with coffee stains and shit on here.
That, and I think it'll help with like a moisture barrier.
Right. It'll be a little insulation too. So.
Yeah, we have a little moisture down here in the boot.
Yep. So anyway, we're gonna go shopping, and we'll cover. That's Candace's favorite part, going to Home Depot.
Yeah, they have Did you know they have free Starbucks?
Yeah, they do.
At least ours does. At the front of the store, there's a little machine with Starbucks coffee.
Yep. So anyway, we're gonna get started. Very excited. Hope y'all enjoyed the positioning of the building, and I will check in with y'all every now and then while I'm working to show y'all the progress. Bye, y'all.
Bye.